Hey there! Welcome back to Tech Product. Today, we're checking out the best digital wood moisture meter, a tool designed to give precise moisture readings for wood and building materials. If you want to protect your projects and ensure quality results, this device is a must-have. Let's get started. The GDVA GD153 Digital Wood Moisture Meter is built for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need accurate moisture measurements. Using DC resistance technology, it provides moisture content percentages directly on the display, making it easy to understand the condition of any wood or building material. With pre-programmed parameters for 7 different wood types and construction materials, you can trust that each reading is tailored and precise. One of the most useful features of the GD153 is its ability to perform both single-point measurements and multi-point average readings. This gives flexibility whether you're testing one spot or scanning an entire surface. The data hold function is another smart addition, letting you freeze a reading on the screen so you can record it easily without losing information. On top of that, the meter tracks the maximum and minimum moisture values during use, helping you monitor trends and variations in materials over time. The GVDA GD153 goes beyond moisture readings. It can measure ambient temperature and environmental humidity, which is essential for evaluating drying conditions on site. Users can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit, making it convenient for any preference. The tri-color backlight system, showing red, orange, or green, instantly indicates moisture levels, so you can see critical information at a glance, even in dim lighting. Design and portability are another highlight. The meter is compact, lightweight, and easy to carry around, making it ideal for on-site use. It also includes an automatic shutdown feature to save battery life and a low battery indicator, so you'll always know when it's time to recharge or replace batteries. Its sturdy design ensures it can handle the demands of construction sites and woodworking environments without compromising accuracy. In real-life use, the GVDA GD153 helps carpenters, builders, inspectors, and DIYers ensure materials are safe to work with. You can quickly check if wood is dry enough for installation, avoid water damage in construction materials, and maintain quality in every project. Its ease of use and accurate readings save time and prevent costly mistakes. This moisture meter is best for anyone involved in woodworking, construction, or building inspections. Professionals and hobbyists alike will benefit from its precise measurements, multiple functions, and portable design. It's a versatile tool that makes sure your projects stay safe and high quality. Don't compromise on accuracy and reliability. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Product for more essential tools and gadgets. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.